flat where dreams ignite. Two Swedes envisioned a brighter light. Piracy ruled the music in chains. They vowed to break free and ease the pain. Daniel and Martin, bold and clear, took the lead, pushed past their fear. With every note they paved the way for Spotify to rise and stay. From Napster's ashes, a phoenix grew, a world of sound both fresh and true. No more borders, just harmony's tune, streaming dreams beneath the moon. Oh, this is the sound of a bold revolution, streaming dreams through a seamless solution. From Sweden's heart to the world's refrain, uniting through music, through joy and pain. Was steep, the stakes were high, but they had faith and reached the sky, convincing the labels one by one a future for music had just begun. Taylor said no, York took a stand, yet they pressed on with hearts in hand, turning the doubt to a melody sweet, building a legacy none could beat. Through the noise of critics they found their voice, a platform of dreams, the people's choice. No more limits, just endless play, millions of songs every day. Oh, this is the sound of a bold revolution, streaming dreams through a seamless solution. From Sweden's heart to the world's refrain, uniting through music, through joy and pain. Every anthem comes with a fight. Artists cried out in the dead of night. Taylor said no, but the dream held on. A world of sound, a brand new dawn. Rose, I lit the way. Gimlet and Logan had more to say. Expanding the stage, they carried the flame. The sound of tomorrow, redefining the game. Oh, this is the sound of a bold revolution, streaming dreams through a seamless solution. From Sweden's heart to the world's refrain, uniting through music, through joy and pain. Through joy and pain. The story continues, horizons wide. Ek and Lorentzon still side by side, democratizing sound for all to play. This revolution is ours and it's here to stay.